If you think your truck is just a tool for hauling lumber, you're living in the past. Today, we're looking at the ultimate evolution of the pickup and the heavy-duty rig. We aren't just talking about shiny rims. We're diving into the inventions that turn your vehicle into a mobile base camp and a powerhouse of efficiency. First up, let's talk about the Rinse Kit Portable Shower. If you've ever finished a day of mudding or a dusty trek and dreaded climbing back into your pristine cab, this is your solution. Unlike those cheap gravity bags, the Rinse Kit is a self-pressurized system that delivers a high-pressure spray for up to 5 minutes. It's rugged, requires no batteries or pumping, and can be filled from a standard spigot. It's the kind of utility that makes long-haul off-roading actually sustainable. But what if your cargo outgrows your bed? That's where the Rough Country Bed Extender comes into play. Constructed from high-strength, powder-coated aluminum, this isn't just a fence for your tailgate, it's a dual-purpose masterstroke. Flip it out with the tailgate down to gain an extra 2 feet of protected hauling space, or flip it inward to create a contained storage area for groceries or tools, so they don't slide to the front of the bed. It's simple, it's steel-tough, and it installs in minutes. Rounding out this trio is the Rack and Roll. Loading heavy kayaks or oversized gear onto a roof rack can be a back-breaking solo mission. This invention solves that with a removable support arm that extends from the side of your roof rack. You simply rest one end of your load on the support, lift the other end onto the rack, and slide it over. It's a mechanical advantage that proves the best inventions don't have to be complex, they just have to be smart. Moving from the exterior frame to the tailgate, we have the Kicker MultiPro tailgate audio system. Designed specifically for the modern GMC and Chevy MultiPro tailgates, this isn't some portable Bluetooth speaker you'll lose in the grass. It is a fully integrated, weather-resistant 100-watt sound system built directly into the inner gate. With its own independent controls and low power draw, it turns any job site or campsite into an entertainment hub without needing to keep the truck running. Next, we look at a legend reborn, the Y61 GU Patrol Resurrection. While the world moves towards soft rotors, builders are taking the iconic Nissan Y61 chassis and giving it a total ground-up restoration with modern tech. We're talking updated common rail turbo diesel engines, reinforced suspension setups, and custom interior finishes that make this old-school beast compete with anything on the modern showroom floor. It's a testament to the idea that some frames are just too good to let die. To make sure you can actually see what you're doing during those midnight recoveries, we have the Focal Series truck bed interior and exterior LED lights. Most factory bed lights are an afterthought, weak and easily blocked by cargo. The Focal Series provides high-output, wide-angle illumination that mounts flush along the bed rails and the exterior perimeter. Whether you're sorting through gear or setting up a perimeter at a dark campsite, these lights provide a crisp, white daylight effect that ensures nothing stays hidden in the shadows.
Efficiency isn't just about horsepower, it's about organization. The Clearview Pantry is a slide-out modular kitchen system that is changing the game for overlanders. Built with heavy-duty rails and a fold-out work surface, it allows you to store a full kitchen's worth of supplies in a compact, vertical footprint. It's designed to withstand the vibrations of corrugated roads, ensuring your spices and coffee don't end up as a mess in the bottom of your drawer. Speaking of storage, Knapheide remains the gold standard for service bodies. If you're a professional who lives out of your truck, a standard bed just doesn't cut it. Knapheide bodies offer specialized compartments, weather-sealed doors, and customizable racking. They transform a standard pickup into a precision tool, proving that the right invention is often just a better way to organize your workflow. Now, let's go big. The Hyva Titan Evo is a revolution in the world of hook loaders and tippers. For those in the construction and waste management industries, the Titan Evo offers a redesigned frame that is lighter and stronger, allowing for a higher payload. Its bolted construction, rather than welded, makes it more flexible under stress and easier to repair. It's the heavy-duty invention that keeps the wheels of industry turning with less downtime. When the work is done, you need a place to crash, and the Highway Hammock system is the ultimate "why didn't I think of that" gadget. Designed to mount between your truck's cab and the hitch, or between 2 points on a heavy rig, it provides a stable, off-the-ground sleeping solution. It's perfect for long-haul drivers who need a quick nap in a breeze rather than a cramped cabin, or for campers who want to stay away from the ground-dwelling critters. Accessibility is often overlooked, which is why the traction tailgate ladder is a must-have. Trucks are getting taller, and jumping off a tailgate is a great way to ruin your knees. This ladder mounts to the inside of your tailgate and flips down in seconds. It's sturdy, has a small footprint, and doesn't interfere with your cargo. It's a simple addition that adds a massive layer of safety and convenience to your daily routine. Entering the world of logistics and massive scale, we have the Hammar 155H. This is a side loader, a specialized trailer that can lift a full-sized shipping container from the ground onto its own chassis in under 4 minutes. The 155H model is built for speed and stability, allowing a single operator to manage the loading and unloading of 36-ton containers without the need for a crane or a forklift. This is pure mechanical muscle at its finest. For those who need to go anywhere, the tall MK5 is a tactical transport vehicle that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It's built to handle extreme terrain while carrying massive payloads. With advanced independent suspension and high-torque drivetrains, the MK5 is the invention that bridges the gap between a standard logistics truck and a heavy-duty military transport. Then there's the Freightliner Argosy. While many have moved to conventional nose-forward trucks, the Argosy remains a legend in the cab-over-engine market. Its invention of the electronic swing-out stairs solved the safety issue of climbing into high cabs, and its aerodynamic design proved that you could have visibility and fuel efficiency in a compact wheelbase. It remains a favorite for those navigating tight urban environments with heavy loads. The future of trucking is arriving faster than we expected. The Geely Home Truck is a prime example. This isn't just a semi, it's a living space. It's designed with a home philosophy, featuring a bathroom, a bed, and even a small kitchen. But beyond the comfort, it uses AI and hardware-software integration to calculate the most efficient routes and energy usage, making it one of the smartest rigs ever built. To keep these massive machines running smoothly, smart valve technology is changing how suspension is managed. It's an electronically controlled air suspension system that automatically adjusts the height and stiffness of the vehicle based on the load and road conditions. This doesn't just improve ride quality, it significantly reduces tire wear and improves fuel economy by keeping the truck perfectly level and aerodynamic at all times. Finally, we have the Freightliner eCascadia. This is the heavy-duty answer to the electric revolution. With a range of up to 230 miles and the ability to recharge 80% in just 90 minutes, it's proving that electric power isn't just for small cars. It delivers massive, instantaneous torque, which is exactly what you need when hauling 80,000 pounds. From portable showers to heavy-duty semis, the world of truck gadgets and inventions is all about doing more with the machine you have. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional hauler, these tools are designed to push the limits of what a truck can do. Which one are you adding to your rig first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more from Gadget Burst. We'll see you in the next one.